Clap his hands like we do. I need to make brains blast like they have a dose of crack. Battle every tack till they have a rap attack. And I'll rap. That's the passion I have. Are you mad? Cause it's part of my genes. I had to count our position. 1, 2, there's no more competition. Boom.
Scoobity bop, watch the bomb explode. Riding for my bros, so I put a show. Grabbing the mic to speak about our dreams. Cause this is how we roll. How we roll.
I'm waking up, I rise from where I start. Hey, I get around, stay true all of the time. Oh, here's your chance, come and take it. Don't be scared, there's no limitation. It's a revelation, an inspiration, yeah.
Scoobity bop, watch the bomb explode. Riding for my bros, so I put a show. Grabbing the mic to speak about our dreams. Cause this is how we roll. How we roll.
Yo, it's as if I was on crack. This dope called rap, while some of you guys use it, I'm here to distribute it. Don't test me, I'm breaking bad material. Yo, gangster to engage, I'm here to give the dose.
Everything around is idolized. I don't ever wanna be patronized by the things that decided for me, by the things I didn't ever wanna see.
Scoobity bop, watch the bomb explode. Riding for my bros, so I put a show. Grabbing the mic to speak about our dreams. Cause this is how we roll. How we roll.
On the leash, notice how his nose is down to the ground and he's not visually checking in with me. He's not prepared to turn when I turn. He's not aware that I exist at the other end of the leash. I've slowed this clip down so that you can see how he is focused on where his nose is taking him. There is a lot of tension on the leash and he's not visually checking in with me. This is after our first morning session. This is the follow me or let's go command. All I'm asking is no tension on the leash and check in with me visually occasionally. This is an afternoon session. Notice how slack the leash is. It's forming the letter U or the letter J, and that's what we're looking for. Notice how Gus is looking and checking in and making sure where I'm at. With the follow me or let's go command, position of the dog in relation to my body does not matter. He can be in front, behind, or either side of me. Recall or come command. Moving to a new spot to repeat the exercise. I started Gus by introducing him to the place board as an object before beginning the place command later. Note, none of his feet are on the board. I'm using verbal marker training. Note, there are now 2 feet on the board. Three feet on the board. 4 feet on the board. The place command is a boundary training command. It does not matter whether the dog sits or lays down on the board. Position does not matter, just so all 4 feet are on the board.
Okay, Bree. Bree, good boy.
Free is the release command. Go be a dog.
Free. Free. Please. Yes. Free.